After unboxing the Shark Ion W1 cord-free handheld vacuum, you'll need to fully charge the Ion Charge battery. To do so, plug the Ion charging dock and place the handheld vacuum in the dock. You'll know the unit is charging when the power button LED light slowly pulses blue. When the Shark Ion W1 is fully charged, the LED light will glow a solid blue. The LED light indicates the status of the handheld vacuum. If the light is quickly flashing blue, the battery needs to be charged. Simply place the handheld vacuum on the Ion charging dock. If the light repeats a pattern of 2 blue flashes and a pause, then your handheld vacuum has a clog or blockage. Turn the power off, remove clogged debris, and then turn power back on. To empty the dust cup, hold the handheld vacuum over the trash. Press the release button to empty the debris with a single touch. Close the dust cup and return to cleaning or charging.